Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with a couple Happy Mail packages. And I just want to mention if you hear a little bit of noise, it's my grandkids. But anyways, hopefully you won't. But if you do, you already know. Anyway, so got a couple Happy Mail packages. One's from Lady Cree and one's from Gloria, who is Girlia's Cards. And Lady Cree has Fun Creations. And anyway, so let's jump right in. And if you know Lady Cree, she always decorates her packages so cute. Love this. Coffee Day, Autumn Days, Thankful, Blessed, Welcome Fall. I mean, just so cute. Look at that little girl right there. Adorable. And then there goes the backside, which says Child of God. Yes, I am. And so I am so grateful and thank you. Thank you so much, Lady Cree. And then the other one is from Gloria, Girlia's Cards. And I'm just going to jump right in to show you what they sent me. I have not seen, so I am going to be seeing this with you. All right, and so here goes the packaging for Girlia. She has this cute little green bag, which is my first favorite color. Love green, and that is just too cute. Oh, look at that! Give me just 1 second, we'll get into that. Oh, this card is too cute. I love this card. This is my Creative Times 3x3. I gotta get this. I don't have this, and this is just the cutest thing. Okay, it says, Melissa, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Here are some things I hope you will enjoy. Christmas blessings to you and your family. Thank you so much, Gloria. This is such a cute card. I am going to pick up this die. Yes, I am. Oh, look at this. This is adorable. Yes, it is. Too cute. Oh my goodness. Snowman with snowballs. This is just too cute. I need to be making this very soon. Love that. And then she sent me this honeybee stamps. This is the a basket die, if I'm not mistaken. What's the name of it? Vintage picnic basket. So this will look really cute with fruit in there or just picnic goodies in there or anything you want to throw in there. I love that. Thank you so much, Gloria. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So those are for her. And I have yet to open Lady Cree's package. So give me just one moment. Okay, you already know Lady Cree packs her blessing mail with all the little shredding things in there. And here we go. There's a couple items in here. We're going to start with the card. Look at that. I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Lady Cree. Oops, there goes another little leaf there. Let's see this. This is gorgeous. I finally picked up these leaves. I see Lady Cree always showing these leaves, and so I finally picked those up. This says thankful. And let's see. She says, Melissa, just a little joy to say that I am thankful for your friendship. Love ya, Lady Cree. And then on the side it says, there is always something to be thankful for. So that's how it looks on the inside. And of course she had her little paper in there, so nothing gets on the other side. Love, love, love this. And I see she used that paint spatter from My Favorite Things. Love that die. And then she has her Homemade by Lucretia Johnson. Love, love, love this. She also put some sparkle on there. I don't know if you can see it, but it is so cute and sparkly. Thank you so much, Lady Cree. All right, and then she sent me this here. Oops, let's take that out the package. This is so pretty. Look at that. I want to say these are Tay's flowers, but I'm not definite. But that looks so cute. Love that. So cute. So cute. And then let's open this up here. I don't want to tear it. Oh, Starbucks. Yes, indeed. I'll be going to get me some of that. Well, thank you so much, ladies. I really, really appreciate this. Oh, look at that. I am so, so, so thankful, so grateful. Thank you, ladies. Now, I will have their links down below, so make sure you go over and visit their channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to check out and see what these ladies are doing. All right, thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.